What's up, YouTube? Hello, guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Maria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? Okay, listen. It is October, the end of October. At the end of the day, you get the picture. If you have not already, don't forget to subscribe. And let's hope that my audio does not cut out because my audio been acting a little real funky. You know what I'm saying? Till I get a new device, bear with your girl. All right. So you saw that title, I'm gonna help you because, like I always say, we want to get to the answers. We don't want no run around down the bush, grab 200, none of that. All right. So let's get to the business. You saw that title, how to get paid on Facebook. You guys have been seeing it. A lot of people have been gaining access to the professional account dashboard on Facebook because they have a certain amount of followers. When it comes to getting paid on Facebook, there is multiple different ways to get paid from Meta. All right, because like we all know, they ain't really Facebook no more. It's called Meta, right? Because you're getting paid for Instagram and Facebook, which means reels, posting content, posting statuses on your story, posting videos, pictures on your story, engagement, baby. When people are engaging to your comments and engaging in your videos and stuff, doing the little polls and stuff, that shit counts with you just because of the fact they're engaging with you as a creator, okay? As a distraction maker. Um, that's what it is. At the end of the day, they're spreading out the money and they want more people to join in on trying to create more of a online presence, all right? So, to utilize these features, there's also a way that you can do stars. If you have noticed, if you use Facebook a lot, you'll notice like a lot of like verified people, a lot of like influencers on Facebook have access to stars. They get stars, which is gifts, and also like subscribers for people who get exclusive content for following them. You know what I mean? Kind of like a VIP type thing, you know? Shabatas, you know? Listen, y'all just write it down, okay? Because I'm really going to give you the everything bing bada boom in less than 10 minutes, okay? When it comes to getting paid with Facebook, you do need to understand that you will have to give them your first and last name. You will have to give them your payout information. So whatever account you want them to pay you with, that is what you will have to use. Direct deposit, something like that, okay? Also, it is important for you to know that Facebook does also run ads. So you have the ability to get paid with ads, just like YouTube, just like Instagram, just like TikTok, just like Snapchat. Everybody wants to get paid to advertise their business and their situation and their products and their services. So Facebook will allow you to gain money from, posted ads on your timeline, using your platform for things like that. That is highly important for you to pay attention to. There's money everywhere, y'all. Like everywhere. It's just floating. And people don't realize it because they're not paying attention and making. Here's the thing, right? When you hop on the bandwagon before everybody else do, you benefit. Everybody that's trickling along afterward the fact, they're probably not gonna do that well just because of the fact that now everybody doing it. But when you first see something, that's when you need to jump on it. Because I promise you, a lot of opportunities that we're seeing right now, these weren't happening years ago. A lot of these opportunities were not available to us, you know what I'm saying, back in 2012, back in 2015, back in 2020 when COVID first happened, a lot of these things weren't out here just because Facebook just turned to Meta. You know what I mean? They were just releasing a lot of the plans that they had. So this is the way for everybody to utilize these platforms to make your money because we all know that you can't survive off of one income. For real. You can't survive off of one income. They don't make it easy for you to survive off of one income. So what you need to do is monetize what you do, your skills, and you know what I'm saying, get more than one income. Because at the end of the day, why struggle if you don't have to? Why pinch pennies if you can count dollars? You know? Don't make sense. Um Also what is important for you guys to know and understand, you do not for when as a content creator, you decide what you want to be. You decide what you want your image to be, okay? In saying that, um, you want to look crazy, you look crazy. You know what I mean? Some people be selling out doing stupid stuff. just for, clout chasing, and they don't even be getting a lot of views. So don't be looking like a plum fool out here, thinking you're gonna get views and then the video flop and now you sad. Like, you know what I'm saying? Don't do that. Stick to you, stick to your skills, because God gave you a talent, okay? You have a talent that you were born with. Whether it's something that, it's not going to be something that everybody else has. You have your own unique talent that you are supposed to use that's going to give you the life that you want. If it's in your head, it can be in your reality. It's just a lot of people don't, give themselves enough credit, you know? You don't realize you can create a whole lot of things. I ain't going to get into that. Y'all, if y'all watch my videos, you already know what I be talking about. You create your reality, baby. Don't waste your time. I'm over here waving this lip gloss. It's the little coconut lip gloss I have for AR Elite. Kid y'all not, right? I opened this business back when COVID started. Like, right before COVID started. I ain't sell nothing. Absolutely nothing. No sales. But it's okay. In saying that, baby, I got a lifetime supply of lip gloss that I made, and it's all organic and soft as hell. So, yeah. Always look at the plus side. Don't look at the negatives when it comes to things, because a lot of things happen for a reason. Okay? You were not meant to. If you're doing something and it's not working, try something else. Because maybe you're not meant to do that specific thing. Stop wasting your time. Okay? Alright. So that's how you get paid on Facebook. Alright? Monetize your gifts. Monetize the things that you can do. If you're a good talker, you're a good motivator. You're good at reposting other people's videos. My nigga, do anything, but at the end of the day, do you. Okay? Alright, don't forget to subscribe, y'all. I hope this video didn't cut out at any moment. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. I hope the message was conveyed. I hope you guys understand. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for being there for me. As you always know, as I'm learning, I'm going to help you guys learn too. I don't know everything. I'm 23 years old, and I'm freaking learning every day. I'm figuring it out. Okay? So, yeah. Subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later.
And of course, you already know I'm going to be dropping gems on my Facebook page for everybody who needs help and any, opportunities that I see and that comes up, because baby, probably I done posted it to Facebook before I made a whole video about it. So go ahead, go follow me over there. All right, y'all. We can all get this bag. Don't trip.